Hi there, so I just wanted to walk you through and kind of show you what distance learning is going to look like now that those initial first 2 weeks are over. Moving on for the next couple of weeks, what it's going to look like for our ELA class. So first of all, if you did turn in the assignment with the poem, the article, and the essay for the Walrus and the Carpenter, I did get those. I was really proud of the work that I saw you guys do there. So if I got that, I did give you full credit, and you should have seen it reflected in Skyward. If you did not see your score in Skyward, that means I did not get your assignment from you. So please contact me and let me know, and then also please send me like an email with your assignment attached to it so that I can grade that and get that into the gradebook for you for quarter 4. If you did the assignment on paper, that's totally fine. I just will have to wait a little bit longer to put your score into Skyward because I need to wait until the school sends me your work to be able to grade it and put that into Skyward. So moving forward, let me show you what e-learning is going to look like from now on. So before you actually had those 3 assignments in 2 weeks, so now it's going to be a little bit different because you're going to have 2 assignments in 1 week. So every week you're going to have new assignments from now on. But they are going to be relatively short and easy assignments. So hopefully that is comforting and not too stressful to you at this time. So starting now, as I said, we're having 2 assignments. It's through a platform that's called CommonLit, and all the 8th graders in the school will have the exact same assignments every week. So each week I'm going to be posting 3 different texts, but you will only have to complete 2 of them before Friday. So you have 2 options of how to do this. The first one is to actually do it through the CommonLit website. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. If you're not, I do have this video down here from CommonLit that explains how to use it as a student, and I will also walk you through it a little bit at the end of this video. Here's our course code. I have already added you to it, so all you need to do is sign in with your school Google account. But if for some reason you need the code, I have it here for you. And the second option is just going to be downloading the PDF and completing the work this way. So it's up to you. If you have a printer at home and you want to print it out, that's totally fine. If you want to just look at the PDF and then answer on a Google Doc, that's fine too. Or you could always go to Westwood and pick up a physical copy of the assignments because, as I said, they're the same. So all you would have to do is just walk up and you or your parent, and you would have to say, I need the 8th grade ELA assignment along with whatever other assignments you were going to pick up from the school. So for this week, the 3 choices you have for text to read, remember you only need to do 2 of them, are What is a Vaccine, Invictus, and Healing Brick City, a Newark Doctor Returns Home. So those are the 3 text options. So your assignment is going to be to carefully read the text, and then you have to answer the 5 assessment questions or the text-dependent questions that go along with them. So just make sure you get that work to me sometime before Friday, April 17th at 4 p.m. It's worth 20 points. It really shouldn't be that hard to just get those 2 articles with 5 questions each, so 10 total questions that you're answering for the whole week into me by Friday afternoon. That would be great. And here we have, I just commented, it would be super helpful if you could help me out by either emailing me, commenting, or private commenting something, letting me know which 2 articles you decided to choose for the week, just so that I know which ones to look out for you, so I'm not, searching everywhere, so I know that you did numbers 1 and 3, or numbers 2 and 3, numbers 1 and 2, whatever you did, just let me know. That would be very helpful for me. So first let me show you the option if you just want to look at the PDF. So I have those articles that I told you about right here. So all you would have to do is click on them. It comes up as a PDF. There is an option for you to download it on Google Docs, but I would not recommend that just because it kind of gets the words all jumbled up and it makes it very confusing. I would recommend downloading it actually as a PDF to your computer. So I went ahead and I did that here. So it's going to look like this, and the articles are different lengths. This one's a little bit longer than the other ones just because it's nonfiction, but I think this one is pretty easy to read through. It's pretty straightforward. So here we have the text-dependent questions. We have 4 multiple choice, and then the 5th one is going to be short answer. So if you want to answer this just by writing out 1 through 5 on a piece of paper, or the other option would be, where did we go? The other option would be to actually go over here. You could go create a Google Doc, just kind of like I showed you last time. This is just one way that you could write out your answers that would be probably easy for you. So make sure that you would be titling. So just make sure that you would be titling it and writing your name somewhere on it too. But for example, you could write out what is a vaccine as the title, and then you would tell me 1 through 5, whatever your answers were, and then you would write out your second article title once you read that, and you could type out 1 through 5 what your answers were as well, and then you would just download that and send it over to me either through email or through the Google Classroom somewhere. So that is one of your options if you want to just do it through the PDF way. But let me show you, if you want to do it through CommonLit website, what you could do is go over to the CommonLit website, and what you would do is you'd have to log in with your school email. So I actually added myself as a student, and move over here, you would come over to, this is what like the website homepage looks like, but if you come over here where this little kind of person icon, you would click on that, you would click on My Assignments, and then it shows you here that I assigned them to you all if you choose to use it through this website. So for example, we'd go to the What is the Vaccine one, and it gives you a little thing, say got it, and you can go through here and read through it. It's the same article. It actually does give you the option here too to, if you need it translated into another language, if you want to mark up the text, or this one's pretty cool, if you want it to read aloud, you can click here and it will actually read the text to you. And then here we have the assessment questions, the text-dependent questions. They're the same exact ones that you find on that paper. So then you would just read through it, pick your answer, click it, and then click Save and Next, and you would go through those 5 questions there. And it's only those 5 questions, so you would submit it that way, and then you would choose your second article to do. So either way, whatever's easiest for you, just let me know which way you're doing it and which articles that you're reading, so I know where to look for it when I go to grade it at the end of the week. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. But have a great week.